out of everything.
But quite by accident.
So how long's the hive been out here on site now?
Break that piece up. Just break it off. We'll put it in the block. Come on this side.
I'm sorry,
You gotta back up.
It's just something you
Sorry,
gotta remember, because you wonder why they're annoyed at you. Well, you're in their way.
I know. Oh, I'm standing there quite fast, yeah.
Take this off. Pop
That
this
can
loose.
go down a little bit.
Pop it loose. Probably should have taken that and scraped more propolis, however. We don't have any ancient Romans around to tell me exactly how to pronounce
It's Greek, ain't it?
It's probably, I don't know. I was going to think it was Latin.
Propolis. Whoa, there we go.
Now, we'll smoke those guys down a little bit. Way to go there, Mr. Plass.
Oh no.
Oh, well, that's okay.
Did it die?
I'm just going to break these loose a little bit, just very carefully.
Yeah, I don't like it. You know smoking's bad for them.
That's right, they know, see?
Go the e-cigarette.
Just do the end of it too. Now these should hold together fairly well. Most of my frames are glued, stapled, and nailed. So they should go take some. Got one. Okay. Pry the end, stick it straight down.
Yeah.
That's it. There you go. We'll cut it up.
Oh, that's for that.
Yeah, they think they're like super glued, isn't it?
Yep. They're kind of working one side of the hive, which is cool.
Okay.
You slide it over. Let me get it. I'll just take it out of the way. Let me get it over. Guys.
Go, Laura, go. You would have liked that Lakewood hive. That thing was packed.
Really?
Which one was Lakewood?
That was the one we did a rescue on.
Not yesterday?
No, that was last week or a week or so ago.
Okay, let's take this puppy up here. Look at that.
Whoa!
It's all solid honey.
Take a look at that. That's pretty snazzy.
Now, on this, let me see. Okay, this is all probably this year. Solid honey. Okay. You know, it's spring. I think we need to take 2 of these out. What do you think?
I don't know, don't ask me. I'm the new person.
Hey, they're going to have so much honey coming in.
I know they do. Mine have a lot.
Yeah, you really don't have all that much.
But we have 3 more boxes to go down. No, 2 more. These are the original boxes.
No, the 3 there?
Yeah, there's 3. Yeah.
Huh. And you got all mediums?
Yes.
Oh, that looks good.
So the queen is not going to be on here.
Not on the honey. Yeah, you
Look
got
at
your bottom.
Yeah, and there's another bump there, but I don't know. And there's a bump on the bottom. See down there?
Mm-hmm.
You may want to scrape that off.
And get the right there where your hand's at. You got a bunch on the bottom of that one.
Yeah, just take that off. It's not doing any good for us, and they'll replace it. Okay. I see this here. I'm going to leave it. I don't think it's not doing any harm. Too bad it's not like this in box number 4. When these bees first showed up, I got it from Kirk.
Uh-huh.
And this hive, this is the twitchy bees. They were twitchy. And they were twitchy because they were up there at that place where he said he had the ant problem. That's where they were. So they probably use this honey over the winter.
Mm-hmm.
You do have a couple drone cells in here.
Yep.
There's a drone right there.
Well, I mean drone cells.
No, there's a big fatty right there. Look at him, right there. He's huge. Right there?
I'm looking at him.
Right there.
Yeah.
Huge.
He's busy. No. Drone cells.
Yeah.
Just a few. But this is, ever since I put the, well, this careful, it's going to come right over here. Okay, go between, yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, just kind of push it this way.
Russell?
Stuff. Okay, not column, it's just close. You got more? So they're doing very well, but they've used a lot of honey. So if this was level 4, I would take 2 of these frames or 3 of them. You can take the bottom piece out down the street down there. You want me to take this out first? Neatness counts in the hive, girls.
Yeah.
But when I first got these, they were never mean. They were bitchy. Yeah, once you pick that up, okay, and you may, I don't know if you use 2 hands at first. They're pretty heavy.
Yeah, they are heavy.
Well, they weigh about.
Ooh, this thing's heavy.
Okay, well look on the back side. Here's why it's heavy. Where's the picture man?
Here.
Are you doing a film?
Look how thick this honey is.
Okay, take it over and kind of hold it right down here to show the camera.
Are you on a
You don't
video?
get too close. That extends over into the next frame, but it's not part of the next frame. That's all right. Are you one of those guys that can't keep your fire going?
Hey,
No, I don't. No, we can look at. We'll look at it. Just look at the back
a little
side.
practice. I know one thing. Don't buy the
Oh, it's sticking to the wall.
the rubber smokers.
Rubber smoker? You have a rubber smoker?
Not me, but somebody else I happen to work with. It's like, what the heck? Thing's melting. Like, oh yeah, came with the kit.
There you go. That's just the last one.
Oh, that's good.
That's okay. It's got good comb in
Look at
it.
this thing.
You can see this one where
Whoa.
it sticks
That's all
into
honey.
here.
Yep.
Yeah.
Take that frame. This way they can rework
Take
it.
that frame out.
Yeah.
We're
Certain
going
jackets.
to take the whole thing.
Take this one out?
Yes. Lift it up.
Take your bee brush.
The bee brush is on the far side of my box. Sorry, bees. Okay, bring
Smoke
it over
it.
here to do it then. Brush them right back in. And I'm going to go get a clean
Framage.
yeah, I'm going to bring some up.
Good work, Laura. Man, you're like a pro.
No, girl, I know you don't like it. It's going to keep coming on it. Where are we putting this?
I think he's gonna get a knife or something. Or maybe just gonna throw it in a bucket.
Because you're going to keep landing on it. You do this all day.
If you know. Faster.
You're going to get 1 or 2 on there. Let's just put the whole thing. Oops. Oh, yeah. You can put that into place. Well, here's what we're going to do.
You gonna cut it out?
It won't fit otherwise.
Yeah. Oh well, you break it in half.
Oh, I
The frame won't fit.
Huh? How about that other one? See that one right next to it? The one we just stuck?
I mean the
I
finger
mean, this
now.
time of year, they don't need
Okay.
honey. They're going to make honey. You got this way? Mr. Cameraman.
Mm.
Yeah, hang on a second here. Let me get this. You can be backlit, and I'm going to cut it about there.
Oh, look at that. Looks pretty good.
Okay, just I'll put that where I put the new one in. Oh, I thought you got another one over there.
You want to put this one?
Take the new one out.
Okay, and put
Yeah.
this back. Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this, are these 8 frame boxes? Are these 8 or 10?
These are 10.
10.
See that big goop on the back there?
This?
Yeah.
I know. What's that?
What's that?
See that big goop?
Okay, we'll take this one too.
Whoa, what's that?
Oops, sorry. Now we're annoying them.
Oh man, too many fingers in the pie.
There's Mr.
Smoke.
I don't know. If I'm going to take it, I'll take the whole thing. Go ahead and just open the bucket there.
Is this it right here?
Yeah, top one, yeah. This off. There aren't many bees on here. We'll lose one or two, but that's okay. Now this one, that's why if you see my new ones there, this one I used the paint stirrers. And I used a full paint stirrer. Not good. Now, see the difference in this one? It's going to be up higher. That's just extra space we don't get. Okay. This is true. Put this back in. Put him back up.
Right 2 more frames.
I get this knot off. You can lift this up for a second. Come on. This is the reason we took this when I left it on there.
And right down that end?
So. Let's clean this off a little bit. Just take it straight down. There's no point in making it hard for us. Okay. We need some honey. Bee brush. Taking another frame of honey. I mean,
Yeah, might as well.
this is the time of the year to do it.
It's leftover, excess from what they consumed.
Okay. There we go. Go ahead. Okay.
You got this.
Do you have one of the frame lifter things? The
No.
tool? Okay.
No.
When you can feel how heavy this is, you might want to.
I know how heavy it is.
You might want to consider getting one for your own use.
Really?
Well, it may be easier for you to handle. So that's up to you.
Come on,
Okay, it's
girl.
coming out.
Out.
Okay. Okay, let me close this down. Okay. Should be doing it. Should be doing this stuff. And then it'll be easier for you to go in on but that's so we're going to pop this one and look at it. I don't think we're going to do anything to it unless we see something evil, but we are going to look.
There you go. You get that. Sort of going. Do you have any paper in there or no?
Is it broken loose?
Yeah.
Ready for a peep?
Don't look too bad.
No, but it's cross-combed all the way. But that's another reason not to bother them.
Yeah, I don't think we
That's
should.
the brood's nest, so I don't bother the brood's nest.
I don't think we should.
Okay, now get the bee brush. And the bottom's going to be just the same. Brush the guys off the edge and the back. And when we sit there, we do all this, we say don't kill a bee. You need to find one of the videos where Dee Lesby is working with her bees.
Yeah.
Oh no. Look, woman is almost as tall as I am. And probably stronger.
Yeah, she's a stout woman.
Yeah, she's about my size, yeah. But she's not
Is that right?
yeah, she's not heavy. That's fine. No, they're just going to be close. Let's pull. Oh, that was already on there, so they've sealed that. Don't worry about it. Oh, I know that one was that.
Watch out, bees.
But I mean, when these guys first came, they were really a pain to deal with. But
they got used to you.
okay, now these are on this side instead of that side, but that's okay. Maybe we'll encourage them to come up and start doing the other side. They're oriented correctly within their box, but this was over there, this end. But this is where the stuff is, so maybe they'll build up that way. So cool.
Hey.
Now, last time I was in here was probably last June or something. I just don't bother my bees. I don't like to.
Yeah.
They don't like me too. And these guys, those were the mean bees.
Yeah.
Where are they?
They're up in the desert.
Up in the desert.
There we go.
Very
Come on
good.
here. Come here. Here. Ta-da!
Good work, everybody.
So you want to set it on top and get a picture and you come join us?
No,
Set
I'm
it
good.
automatic and just